Angel's Landing now requires a hard-to-get permit for the final climb, but you can legally hike 80% of the trail without one. Angel's Landing is a 5.4-mile round trip with nearly 1,500 feet of elevation gain. It takes most hikers 4 to 5 hours, but the real challenge isn't the distance. It's the sheer vertical exposure on the final section. You cannot hike the chain section without a permit. You must enter the seasonal lottery months in advance or the day before lottery between 12:01 a.m. and 3 p.m. Mountain Time. Accessing the trailhead requires the Zion Canyon Shuttle during peak season, roughly March through November. You cannot drive to the trailhead. Park in Springdale or at the visitor center by 8 a.m. to secure a spot. Here is the planning loophole. You do not need a permit to hike up the West Rim Trail to Scout Lookout. This gets you the same canyon views and a serious workout without the terrifying chain section. If you do have a permit, the final half-mile involves scrambling along a knife-edge ridge with 1,000-foot drop-offs. If you have a fear of heights or vertigo, stop at Scout Lookout. It is not worth the risk. For similar views with a fraction of the effort, drive through the tunnel to the Canyon Overlook Trail. It's only 1-mile round trip, but offers a spectacular vantage point into the main canyon. For a sunset hike, starting right from the visitor center, choose the Watchman. It's a 3.3-mile moderate loop that avoids the main canyon shuttle crowds entirely and offers great light for photography. If you need a recovery day, the Paras Trail is paved and bike-friendly. Alternatively, the Emerald Pools trails offer flexible difficulty, linking lower, middle, and upper pools depending on your energy levels. Target shoulder seasons like May or October to avoid 100-degree summer heat. Start your hike before 7 a.m. and carry at least 3 liters of water per person. There is no water on the trails. Choose your hike based on your permit status and comfort with heights. Use this decision tree to lock in your itinerary before you arrive at the park gate. Check the description for the downloadable gear list and itinerary.